Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. So first, what I'm going to want you to do is, of course, sign in like always, and then either create or use an existing spreadsheet. So now, what I'm going to want you to do is get your data. You're going to need a lot of data for this. It really helps out. And you're going to want to highlight all of it, then go to data and go all the way down and click pivot table. I already have a table here, but I am going to delete this just so you can see how to do it. Okay. I'm going to go to data, pivot table, have it all highlighted. Then what you're going to want to do is it's going to pop up with a whole new sheet. It's going to give you some suggestions here. Don't worry about that. You're going to want to make your own custom one. Then you want to go to rows. Then you're going to want to go to client. Then after, you want to add the client row. Afterwards, you're going to want to you can add either another row, or you can add a column, or you can even add some values, that's what we're going to be doing right now. This adds values, so I'm going to put the amount billed, and it's the sum of the amount billed. So that's what your grand total is going to be right here. And so next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a column, which will be a horizontal line all the way. And this, I'm going to add a year. So this separates it by year. So it separates the amount billed by year. And you can also delete any rows or columns, which I'm going to do right now with the columns. I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to add a new column, and I'm just going to add project type. So now it's separating it by project type. And as you can see here, it shows the grand total of everything. So the accounting by North Winds and Russell and Sons, and that's 8,000, and it just adds them all up, and it ends up being 30,575. And there's also filters. So filters, you can do, let's just say, project type. I don't want to see training in there, because training, they're just training. I'm just going to take that out. Boom, it's gone. So, and the grand total comes down because I'm taking something out. And you can always put it back. Showing 5 items, you can go back down there, press on it, and it comes right back up. And that is how you use pivot sheets in Google Spreadsheets. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.